Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp application. Now let's begin. Let's simply move on to WhatsApp. As you can see, I have already installed it in my mobile device. In case you have not, to install it and log in right now. Now what you want to do is simply focus on the top right, especially the rightmost section, that is these three lines. Simply click on it and let's go to settings. Once you're on the settings page, we're simply gonna go to accounts. Now in this section, if you look closely, right here, just above delete account, there's something like add account. Click on this button right here. Now this will pop up. At the bottom, you will find this add account button. Simply click on it. Now something like this will open up. It's exactly as how it is when you signed up for WhatsApp. Let's simply agree and continue. Now let's enter our number right here. Once everything's okay, simply hit on next. Now it's asking me whether I want to verify with a missed phone call or another way. I'm gonna choose another way right now. The button is at the bottom. I want to send an SMS, so let's click on the send SMS button right here. I just received the verification number. Now I'm gonna enter it. Well, as you can see, I have entered it and now it's being verified. Well guys, this is it. Simply click on next after you have entered your mobile number. Let's just click on next. I do not want to create a passkey. I'm simply gonna skip. It's adding the account, and there you go. We have successfully activated two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp application. Now in case you want to switch account, let's look at the top right. Here's the more button, these three dots. Simply click on it and click on switch accounts. Well guys, that's it. That's how you activate two WhatsApp accounts in a single WhatsApp application. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.